Hi, I'm Corey Miller with Wash Monster AZ. Starting a solid waste cleaning container business means to me is helping keep our waterways clean, making sure we have fresh water for our future generations, and even just around the neighborhood, keeping the play areas clean for our children and people not washing their own cans and just dumping it down the street. When I was shopping for a company to work with to build our solid waste container cleaning truck, somebody that had reliable equipment, strong equipment, and a proven track record. Working with EWI, they built their own trucks from start, they've improved their designs, and their equipment speaks for itself. So I found everything I needed in EcoWash Industries, from their client support to explaining how the industry works, and then even walking through the entire build. The entire staff was very helpful with everything. I did shop a couple other companies, but after talking with them or leaving messages and waiting a week to 2 weeks to hear back, the first time I called EcoWash Industries, Greg picked up the phone, and that's all I needed. His demeanor on the phone, everything he was telling me was everything I needed to hear. Future support, I look for EcoWash Industries to help me with either clients or equipment issues, and they've already offered to put that help out to them. I feel that the entire team at EcoWash Industries is going to support me no matter what I need. I'm right in town, a few miles away from them, so they've already told me just pull on into the shop and help me out with anything I need. I would absolutely come back to EcoWash Industries. The plan is to have a fleet, and I've already discussed that with them, so we have it in the hopper. So if you're looking to start your own business adventure like solid waste containing cleaning, I would absolutely go with EcoWash Industries. They've been there from the start, and they've kept in contact with any issues, from the financing to setting up any vendors or anything I need.